the home screen of the application. This application here pretty much allows you to create AI videos from songs or music lyrics. So that's basically it. As you can see here, a lot of other generated videos from other people around the world. So as you can see, so you can create your own by tapping on this option here. It says create, and you'll be able to pretty much, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this magical item here or magical pen. It will generate or add an idea for you. And if you don't want a customize option, you can always use the new ear option. You have some different options here, or you can just select the random option, which will pretty much give you something random. And as well, you can generate these lyrics and then turn those lyrics into video. So once you have pretty much get your lyrics, you'll be able to turn those lyrics into AI generated video. So that's just basically how you use this application here. As you can see here, a lot of other people have generated videos from those lyrics. So for example, this one here, as you can see, this is pretty much a AI generated video created from a music lyrics. So you can tap on the three dots over here to download you can as well download the music as well. You can also copy the style as well. So that's pretty much it for the application. Nothing much for this application here. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And I forgot to mention, you're going to need credits or points to generate your video. So you can go at the top here where it says this here. As you can see here, how much credits I currently have, and also the prices for the credits. So you do get this for free if you're signing up for the first time. So you can test out the application and so forth, as you can see here, for registration. So that's pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and we'll see if we can help you out.